Have you seen a neighbor installing solar panels in their roof recently? Or have yourself asked the question why every time you drive around your city you see more and more solar panels installed in all types of neighborhoods? Today, we're going to share with you some facts that will give you answers and maybe will inspire you to consider solar for yourself. But before we do that, I want to invite you to follow us in social media at Go Clever Energy or visit us in our website at www.gocleverenergy.com. Okay, great. Here we go. The question was, why homeowners are going solar? First, because the cost per kilowatt, which is essentially the cost of electricity, is less with solar panels than keeping your utility bill. Actually, that utility bill has been increasing in the past years at a rate of 2.5 to 5%. And the worst part is that the utility company will keep increasing that charge, meaning you will be paying more and more for the same energy that you're using. Second, because the government has incentives called energy credits on a federal level of 26% of the total cost of your solar project. In most of the cases, we're talking about between $7,000 to $12,000 depending how many panels and how big is your solar system. Third, because homeowners are making a huge contribution to the climate change, they are reducing the carbon footprint and definitely replacing fossil fuels with clean, renewable energy. Fourth, because going solar is so accessible that now financial options offer you programs with zero money down and starting with an interest rate of 1.99. Fifth, because homeowners prefer to invest in their houses than keeping a forever bill. Remember, there is a name for people that go solar: clever. Leave your comments below and share this content with your friends and family. See you next time!
Want to learn more? Visit GoCleverEnergy.com today and see how the sun can provide you savings.